Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your OpenTables account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your OpenTables account, firstly open your Google search. Type in OpenTable sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. Enter your phone number and press on continue. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter the verification code and click on continue. Type in your email address and tap on continue. Enter your first and last name and click on continue once again. Tick mark on the box as per your preferences to complete your profile and tap on create account. This is how you can create an account on OpenTable quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.